Hello everyone. Today we're going to create a fun scratch squad game where a mouse moves around the screen using your arrow keys and tries to catch a gliding piece of food. When the mouse touches the food will disappear, move to a new random spot and your score will increase. Let's begin. First, click on choose a backdrop. Add any backdrop that you like. Then choose a sprite and select the mouse sprite. Now we want to make the mouse move when the arrow keys are pressed. Start with the when green flag clicked block. Then add a forever block from the control section. This means the code inside will keep running during the game. Add an if then block inside a forever loop. Go to the sensing blocks and get a key pressed question mark block. This will check over and over whether a key is being pressed and move the mouse if it is. Let's start with the right arrow. From drop down menu, choose right arrow key. Put change X by 10 block within the loop. You might be thinking that why X? Because when we move right on the screen, the X position increases. That's how Scratch knows the mouse should go right. Notice the value of X right now. When I press the right arrow, it will increase by 10. In turn, mouse will move towards right. Next, we repeat the same steps for the left arrow, but this time we want the mouse to move left, which means X decreases. So use if key left arrow pressed and then add change X by 10. But this time it will be minus 10 because we want X to decrease. Try it out. Now let's do up and down. Add two more if then blocks from control category and two more key press blocks from sensing section inside the forever loop for these directions. Choose up arrow key from the drop down menu this time. Moving up means the mouse goes higher and the value of y will increase, so we use change y by 10. Now select down arrow. Moving down means the mouse drops lower and y decreases, so we use change y by negative 10. Wouldn't it be nicer if your mouse faced towards the respective direction? Let's add point in direction block in each if then loop. When mouse is moving right, it should face in that direction. When it is moving left, it should face towards left. For top, it should be 0, and for down, it should be 180. It will face downwards then. So in total, inside your forever loop, you should have 4 if key pressed, then change position blocks. 2 that change X and 2 that change Y. Let's test them out by pressing the green flag. Use your arrow keys to control your character. Link 3. Now let's add the food. Click choose a sprite again and add a food sprite like a piece of cheese, fruit or a cake. Move it to a random place on the screen. We want the food to glide to random position forever. Click on the food sprite. Start with when green flag clicked and then add glide to random position block from the motion category. Add a forever loop on the top of it. Add another forever block under when green flag clicked to keep checking if it touches the mouse. Inside the forever loop, add if then block. Go to sensing category and grab the touching block. From the drop down, choose mouse because we want to detect the touch of mouse. Inside the loop, we'll do a few things. First, hide the food. Then change the score. Then go to a new random position, wait 0.5 seconds, and finally show the food again. So let's do it step by step. To make it hide, go to looks and add hide block. Now let's create a score variable To store the amount of food the mouse has eaten, go to the variable section and click Make a variable. Name it score. Scratch will automatically add the score display to your stage. It is like an empty container which will store information regarding score. Add Change my variable by one block under hide. From drop-down menu, select score. Let's give it a try to see the score increase. Now, we want it go to random position and show. After some time, to add go to random position block, wait 1 second block from controls and then show block from looks. Let's change wait time to 0.5 so that we won't have to wait for too long. Also, add a show block under when green flag clicked so that it would always show up when the game starts. Press the green flag to try it out. The score doesn't set to 0 again when we press green flag, so go under when green flag clicked, add set score to 0, so your score starts fresh each time. Click the green flag to start your game. Use the arrow keys to move the mouse around. When the mouse touches the food, it disappears. Your score goes up and the food appears in a new spot. You've just made a cool mouse and food game using arrow keys and variables. Great job! We will be adding more features next, like a timer, sound effects, or even a hungry cat chasing the mouse. See you in the next video. Goodbye.